This is Dave with his new little boy.
Oh, he's just absolutely adorable.
I'm recording.
Oh, little Alex. The swaddle. The nurse did a very good burrito wrap.
Oh,
look at you.
Aww. And he's got stuff in his eyes now. But he's not an alien.
No,
He kind of looks like an alien from this angle, but he's
well,
perfect.
It's because of his coney head.
No, he's a perfect. And he's only 6 pounds and 8 ounces.
6 pounds 5.
Oh, 6 pounds 5 ounces.
Oh, we had it wrong. That's what it says on that card.
Hi.
Okay, 6 pounds 5. Hi, little Alex.
Dave is the best support ever in life. He did like a most amazing job.
Yeah.
I couldn't have done anything this whole week without him.
He's a good guy. He loves you
I'm very lucky.
And he loves this one. Oh, and he's going to take good care of both of you. So he wrapped up like that. He doesn't need the mittens just yet, huh?
Wish I could send some to Grandma.